Okay, so we have successfully created our project. Now if we go back right here, we have this WinRAR file, or you can say zip file, and let's just simply extract this right here. As you can see, we have these four folders. The first one is the audio, which contain all of the audio files which we will be needing in our game. Then we have the fonts, then we have the prefabs, and then we have the sprites. In the sprites we have the crosshairs folder, then we have these other sprites. These are for the main menu, and these are the three players which we will be adding inside our game, and this is the rifle. Okay, we have these prefabs, and in here it contains the core effect, the impact effect, the muzzle flame, muzzle spark, etc, etc. Okay, just leave this one for now. Then we have the fonts and the audio. So let's just simply add this inside our project. So we will actually drag and drop this. So right here in the assets we will just drop it, and now as you can see it is importing. And now as you can see we have this imported. Now let's click on this sprites folder, and we can actually select all of these, and right here in the texture type, change the texture type to sprite 2D and UI, then click on apply. Now as you can see it has been changed. Let's also change these two as well to sprite 2D and UI, click on apply, and that's it. And if you check our crosshairs, as you can see they are already in the 2D and UI. So with our game assets added, see you guys in the next video.